In this video, let's look into how KTern.ai helps you in managing the process activities using boards. Click on Boards, which appear in left sidebar, and click on Active Board. Now, you will be able to see the boards, which are basically custom created boards or formed when the process activities are cloned and created. Once the boards are loaded, you can use search bar by searching the title of board or task name or GSI name. Once the board is loaded, you can get an overview by looking into the tile which is formed by task name and GSI name. With the help of progress indicator, you will be able to understand the progress of the respective board. And the overdue items display the count of process activities which are overdue and needs to be prioritized. To find any specific process activity, you can search it in the search bar, and you can also update the status of activity by clicking on the drop down and selecting the status. If you have a bulk of process activities to manage and update, it's advisable to click on expandable icon and you will be navigated to landing page. And now you will be redirected to landing page, where you can track every detail of the process activities like total items, weightage, overdue, planned from, planned to, actual start, actual end, and also planned weightage and milestone for each task, which will also help you take better decision. To filter out overdue items, you can click on overdue button, which basically filters out the items which are overdue. With just few steps and few clicks, you will be able to manage the process activities efficiently and productively.